Hello, everyone. This is a great news. We're in the process of creating an online music model building tool. Check this out. Where's your location? It's in Victoria. It can be somewhere else in New South Wales or even somewhere else as well. So in this tab, you have the ability to load up your location, your map. You can even you can choose by address, or you can even put in your just click wherever you want to go. Let's say I want to just build something here. That's fine. That's my location information in St. Albans. Start modeling. And what do I have here? Assessor, that's me. It's an email, that's me as well. Development type, let's say industrial subdivision. Catchment type, mixed, split, urban, residential, industrial, commercial. Our friends in Queensland know more about this. Well, let's start catchment type, let's say split. Planning permit number, 1 to 3, not applicable, whatever you want to call it. And project name, test project. We have the address, we save this. And then what can you do? You have this little test project here, and you can run it, you can save it, you can get the reporting. This is the catchment types, and these are the treatment nodes. Primary, secondary, tertiary. You click on it, you hold on it, and it tells you what it is. Tertiary, primary is rainwater tanks. Secondary and tertiary, all three. Primary, secondary, tertiary, a junction node. What we recommend and most recently used. So you can build your music models. Let's go primary, secondary. You literally can build your music models online, and you'll be able to run them online too. So let's say primary or secondary, we're gonna have I don't know, a swale. This is how it's gonna look. This is how the swale looks, and this is in development, right? But I really am excited. We're excited to share with you. The values here are going to be, of course, adapted to the swale. Right now, it's just showcasing the capability. Then what else do I do? Maybe I'm going to put a Hume guard. Let's say a Hume guard, whatever it is. There's going to be a photo of a Hume guard, and we're going to change the name, Hume guard 1. Create. We'll put it here before the swale or after the swale. Woohoo! Look at that. It's moving. It's moving. We have secondary and tertiary. We have all sorts of manufactured products or bioretention. Tells you what it is here. Surface area, filter depth, filter area, overflow wherewith. All of that can be changed. And we're definitely able to put some limitations in here and some errors. Node name bio1. Create. I'm chucking it in here. And then the other beauty is double click on this. Oh, you don't really have to hold on anything. I find it much easier to use. So you double click on this, and then it goes there. There's actually a right click, add node, add links, remove nodes, and undo and redo. Most recently used nodes here. You do have a Control Z, Control Y. So all of you guys who in the before times when you had to buy music and install it on your machine, and then you deleted some node and you couldn't do Control Z, well, now you can. You double click on it here, goes here, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Y, 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 perfect. You have the most recently used node, so if you've used a catchment before and then you want to use it again, or you used the node before, you can do it here. You can select two of them and move them about. You can select one and move it about. You can select them and delete, and then Control Z, they pop up back in. You have right click and edit node or remove node, and when you double click on it, if you want to create a secondary link, you'll just double click on it and go somewhere else, right? So this is what we've done so far. You can see we're relatively advanced. You have here all the catchments that are in accordance with the council in that area. Obviously, I mean, I thought there's basically no point saying this. everything is going to be in here. Everything that you have in here is in accordance with whatever that council accepts. So if you go secondary, tertiary, and the council doesn't accept the bio, well, the bio is not going to be here. If they don't accept this kind of filter or this kind of device, it's not going to be there. If they don't accept tripits not going to be there either, right? Tripit one, create, click, and then that'll be a secondary link going here, and then you can delete the node. Everything comes from the database, which is why it takes them a little bit to populate on your browser. And all of the catchments that are available here are those source nodes in accordance with those guidelines in that particular authority. I can't stress this enough. Nodes in accordance with the guidelines in that particular authority. So yes, if you want to be part of the testing team for this, for the new music models creation online, please let me know. You will be able to save the music model. You'll be able to create a report, and you will be able to run it and get all your results. This is our infrastructure so far, or our infrastructure, our software so far. We are hoping to release it very soon, and you're all very, very welcome to write to us, write to me, comment on this video or anything, and I will definitely keep you up to date and give you early access to this. Of course, these photos will be changed. This is just in early stages of development. We have all the architecture here, but obviously the details are going to be sorted out as we go along, which is why we're not releasing it yet. Thank you very much, and I am looking very much forward to you guys telling us what you think. Go Stormwater!